Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. This is our second strategy today on this broker platform. So we are green here. So in the next trade I'm going to increase a lot. So let me close that and take that small change right there. So I'm going to increase a lot to 0.80. So here we introduced this broker platform to you guys a few days ago, and I'm sure some of our subscribers have signed up, and for those who haven't signed up yet, this is a new broker, is a Forex broker platform. So this is a new broker platform. First thing you have to do is to use any of this link to sign up for a free trading account on this broker platform. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so check the video description. Just use the link. You can type the link directly on your browser as well. So once you sign up using any of the link, then subscribe to all our channels, because we are going to be releasing strategies for this broker platform henceforth, and we're going to release free automated trading bots on the same broker platform. So just make sure you sign up using the link, and then activate your account, upload your identity so that they can verify your account, your mobile number as well. So once your account is verified, you can fund your account using the same method you use to fund your binary options account. You can use Perfect Money, Bitcoin, other payment options on the broker platform. So let's get back to the trading. So once you log in, after activating your account, you make sure if you are using this strategy, you have to click on trade on terminal. So you just click on trade and then trade on terminal. So it's going to take you right to this page. So we are trading the GBP USD as the Great Britain pounds versus the USD. So once it takes you right here and you choose the GBP USD, you have to set this to 2 minutes. You have to set this to 2 minutes. 1 minute. Sorry, you have to set it to 1 minute. So once you do that, we're using an indicator, which is the Arnaud legoux moving average indicators. You are going to see this blue sign right there once you click on it. So then we are going to draw a line. So once you go to the line section there, you draw a line. This is the line I've drawn earlier. So you draw a line. So once you draw the line, you make sure you can change the line color. It will prompt you if you want to change it. You can change it to red or any color so that you'll be able to see it clearly. Then you drag the line down. You drag the line down because we are going to be clicking. We are going to be clicking on buy, so you have to drag the line down below the blue line right there. So what you are going to be watching is this blue line. So once it's dropping down, once it's going down, once it's facing down, we are going to click on buy. Once it's facing down, we're going to click on buy. You can see the blue line will fade. It will not drop down drastically. It's going to be dropping, as the yellow line will be dropping down drastically, but the blue line, once it drop down and shift a bit, you just click on buy. So let's just watch. You can see it's dropping down, but you may not see it clearly, but it has to drop down a bit, and the yellow must also be pushing right down as well. Okay, you can see it has dropped down there, so I click on buy there. So then I'm going to set my, because I've increased my lot, so if I'm in profit, the profit will also go up as well. So I'm going to set my TP. I'm going to stay online. I'm going to set my TP to 1000 because we are already in profit there, but I want to set my TP. So I've set my TP there. So I don't need to wait. You can see once it's like 6 or 7, that's 6 point something, you can close the trade right there. So we made $7 there. We made $7 right there. But if I set my TP and it hits the TP, I'm going to make a lot. I can make up to $70 or $80. That's one thing about Forex. It's regulated, so if you enter at the right time, you're going to make a lot of money. So the thing is to watch this blue stuff right here. Drops down, then you click on buy, then you set your TP. You have to stay online. If you want to go offline, you have to set your SL, which is the stop loss. So you can, if you are setting your TP, you just watch the time you enter the trade. you set the TP above this time up here, not the down one. Yeah, it has to be above it. So once you enter the trade at 1.11954, you can set your TP to 1.12000 or 1.12050 and so on. If you sell, if you click on sell, you have to set your TP to low. Then if you want to set your SL as well, your SL will be low, your TP will be high if you click on buy. So that's it, guys. So make sure you watch the indicator before you place your trade. We're going to release more strategies as well. So for those who haven't signed up yet, this is the link to sign up right here. You can use any of the links to sign up for a free broker account. So we are going to release free automated trading bots soon on this broker platform, so we are going to be making a lot of money. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels as well. These are the links there. Check the video description on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.